Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make slime, so let's get started. So what you'll be needing is something to mix in, something to mix with, some shampoo, well, hand soap, using this, and I just got it. I took my mom's room and some salt, some food coloring, and I better move these things because then I'm going to get food coloring on it. So first what you're going to do is okay, I'm just going to pour it right by eye color, like pour that much because I'm not allowed to pour that much. So yeah. So then you're just going to take this salt and just keep on adding until it forms. See? It's kind of already forming, already looks like it's forming. Like, just keep on adding. Now it just looks like water if we keep on adding, but just add it in the fridge and then it will become perfect. So, bye!